How to turn off Wi-Fi for WhatsApp on iPhone. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. Mainly there are two ways of doing it, so we'll see one by one. So first of all, you have to open up your setting and scroll down below and look for the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the app. You'll be able to see the local network and background app refresh option. You have to turn it off. In some iPhone, these options may not be available, so if there is no any option in your iPhone, then you can follow the second step. For that, you have to go back and scroll upward. After scrolling, you will be able to see the general options, so tap on general. For that, you have to tap on iPhone storage option over here. Here you have to scroll down below and look for the WhatsApp app. Tap on WhatsApp. Here you'll be able to see the offload app option, so you have to tap on that and offload app. Your WhatsApp has been uninstalled, so if you want to reinstall it, then you can simply tap on that and reinstall it. So by following this simple step, you can turn Wi-Fi for WhatsApp on iPhone. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Hope to see you guys in the next video.